Today, let's clear a very common confusion: inquiry versus enquiry. So, here's the easy rule: use enquiry for formal or official investigations, whereas use enquiry for a general question or request for information. For example, the police launched an inquiry into the accident. It is formal, so we use inquiry which starts with I. Another example: I made an inquiry about the train timings. Just a general question, right? So we use enquiry which starts with E. So now it's your turn. Which word fits best in each of these sentences? Number one, the government launched dash into the budget fraud. Number two, I sent dash about the new library timings. Number three, the teacher asked dash about homework submission. So is it inquiry or inquiry? Write your answers in the comment section below.